This is a short tutorial for facilitators. I'm going to show facilitators how to access the facilitator classroom schedule and the facilitator monthly calendar. To begin with, you will go to usu.edu. In the right-hand top part of the screen, you'll see a little thing saying My USU. You'll go to My USU, click on that. On the next page, you will be putting in your A number and the password that goes along with your A number. Once you've put in your A number and password, click Login. This will take you to the Canvas page. On the left-hand side of your Canvas page, you have a bunch of options here. You'll want to go to Canvas, so click on Canvas, and this will bring up your dashboard. Your dashboard will look a little different from mine, but you'll want to find the Distance Education for Blanding tab and choose that. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be given some more options here. On the bottom, you'll want to choose Schedules, so click on Schedules, and it will load. Okay, here's the Summer 2019 second session classroom schedule. As you can see, it's a bit sparse because it's the summer, but it's basically what you will see for the fall and spring as well. Here you have your buildings with the room number next to them. So HSL stands for Health Science Library Building, and then 201 would be the classroom number where the class would be located. And as you see across here, we have HSL classrooms all to 129, and then we start with BLT classrooms. The BLT is the Bradford Lee Technology Building, and they have the class numbers next to them also. On the left side is the time, and you can see that this math class starts at 8 o'clock and goes till 9:35. It's written in here, but in case it's not written on the schedule, for example, the theater class, we don't have a time for it, but you'll know the time if you go to the left-hand side of the schedule and see that it starts at 12 and it ends at 3. Now to get to the facilitator calendar, you'll come back out to this page. You don't have to go back to your dashboard, but you can if you want. The calendar is on the left-hand side. You just click on the calendar option here. And as you can see right here, this brings up the July month for this year and the calendar. You'll see that right here it's lightly colored in gray. That shows you what day it is on the month. And as you look around, you can see that we've got holidays marked on here, so you'll know when there's a holiday, for example, Independence Day or Pioneer Day. We also will put classes that have been canceled. So you look on here and say, oh, my math class is canceled for today. If you go back a month, you can see more cancellations or more notices on the calendar. Mostly we're going to be putting holidays and class cancellations, or if there's an exam or a quiz in a class, we will put that on here. So for example, if we had a class cancellation today, you would just click on the day and this little box will come up, and you can put in the title, you'll be able to put what the class is and what's going on with it. So for example, we'll just put the Theater 2320 with, let's say Dr. Smith has been canceled for today. So I'll just put canceled July 19th, and that's really all you need to put on there. And then you can put the time. We'll say it starts at 3 p.m. and it's going to go till 5 p.m. Down below you can put the location, which would be the building and the room. So we'll say it's HSL 211. And then on the calendar you'll want to make sure that it says Distance Education USU Eastern and hit Submit, and that will show up on the calendar. Now if you need to go back and make any changes, you can click on it again and hit Edit, and that will bring up the page again where you can make any changes, or if you need to delete it, you can go back, click on it, and hit delete. And then click delete again, and it's gone. So this was just a quick tutorial for this. Remember, just go to usu.edu, myusu, and go to Canvas, and these two options will be available for you.